Carefully listen, understand, practice reading. My best vacation. Our family members always like to go on vacation. First, we plan to go to a beautiful and natural place. My mother and sister buy new clothes for us for every vacation. My brother finds all the details about the wonderful places we can visit by using his map. I arrange travel bags for all the family members. My father always cares about our safety. So he checks the wheels and fuel the day before the trip. Brother uses the map to show the roads to father. On our first day of the vacation, father brought us a delicious breakfast. We enjoyed it. We arrived at a beautiful place to stay. We arrived there at 1 p.m. Just after that, we got lunch. Many people were there for lunch. Then we moved to the beach area. We sat down on the beach and feel the beauty of nature. We took some photos. Then we went to the place where we stay at night. We all took a bath. In the evening, we drank tea with snacks. We spent 2 nights there. We took some photos. The next morning, we went to my friend's house. Her mother prepared us breakfast and lunch. Then we came home. It was one of my best vacations. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.